Welcome to Neelam Co. This is Neelam. Today I bring you a great nutritious breakfast recipe, SOOJI pudding. SOOJI, also called Ferina, is the main ingredient of cream of wheat. So let's see how to make it. The first ingredient is SOOJI. SOOJI is more natural than cream of wheat and it is not enriched with any flavor. The other ingredients are 1 cup of milk, handful of almonds and walnuts, and 1 tablespoon of brown sugar. I always use brown sugar because it's healthier than white sugar. The first step is to roast 2 tablespoons of SOOJI or Ferina. 1 and 2. I turn on the stove on the medium and then going to roast it till it's golden brown. Make sure that you are continuously stirring it because otherwise it will burn. If it starts burning, you may turn off the stove and wait till the SOOJI is brown. It's getting brown. SOOJI is brown now, so I am going to transfer it into a bowl. And then going to warm the milk to mix it for later. And turn on the gas to the medium and we'll wait until the milk is boiling. Milk is boiled now, so now I'm going to mix it in the SOOJI. Just little by little, so it makes a good mixture. Okay, a little bit more, and then we will let it stay for a while so it gets mixed with the milk really well. Okay, now I will wait maybe a couple of minutes or maybe 5 minutes. I have let the mixture stay for a couple of minutes. Now I will go and boil it for the second time. And here I am boiling the SOOJI for the second time and wait till it boils. The bubbles are forming, so now I am going to remove from the stove. The mixture is now ready, and final step is to add crushed walnuts and almonds. I crushed them in the blender, and then add brown sugar according to the taste. This is 1 tablespoon, but I will add just half tablespoon because that's what I like. Stir it gently. Now the SOOJI pudding is ready to eat. If you like, you can also add cinnamon powder, or you can just stir it with cinnamon stick and leave it there. It's your choice. SOOJI has many health benefits. If you want to learn about its health benefits, you may Google it. Today we made SOOJI pudding. I hope you like it. See you next time with my another video. Till then, bye bye.